Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to share a powerful Quranic dua taught by Dr. Haifa Younus from Surah Aal-e-Imran, verse 26, a dua she personally recites every day after Fajr for rizq, protection, and inner peace. The dua begins with, Qulillahumma malik al-mulk, O Allah, owner of all dominion. Dr. Haifa explains that this is not just a supplication, it is a divine command from Allah, and it must be recited with deep awareness of who we are calling upon. The first lesson of this dua is realizing that Allah alone owns everything. Your job, your business, your skills, your opportunities, your honor. Nothing comes from people, they are only means. Everything comes from Allah. When this truth settles in the heart, fear weakens, attachment to people fades, and hope in Allah becomes strong. Allah gives and takes kingdom. This doesn't only mean political power, it includes careers, finances, relationships, positions, and doors of opportunity. No human can open what Allah has closed, and no one can close what Allah has opened. This realization completely resets the heart and brings deep peace. Dr. Haifa reminds us, honor does not come from money, not from titles, not from status. True dignity comes from connection with Allah. And when a person distances themselves from Allah, they experience a quiet form of humiliation, even if outwardly successful. All goodness is in Allah's hands: wealth, health, children, marriage, faith, inner peace. Every form of goodness belongs to Allah alone. Understanding this removes anxiety and teaches complete reliance on Him. The verse also mentions Allah's control over night and day. Just as night turns into morning, hardship can turn into ease. No situation is permanent. Allah is always in control. Allah brings life from death and provides for whom He wills without measure. Without measure means without limits, without calculation, even from places we cannot imagine. She advises, after Fajr prayer, recite this dua 3 times slowly with presence, then raise your hands and ask Allah specifically for what you need. She shares that this practice makes her feel lighter, more guided, and deeply protected. It builds tawakkul, complete trust in Allah. This dua teaches us spiritual independence from the world and full surrender to Allah. When your heart truly understands this verse, your life begins to change. Ya Allah, grant us halal rizq, peace in our hearts, and your protection. Ameen. If this message touched your heart, please like, subscribe, and share so others can benefit from this beautiful Quranic dua.